Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Start off tonight up by St. Mary's at Brown Glacier National Park. Look at the snow they had up there. We even heard the Browning had about 13 inches of snow. This is the Montana Department of Transportation. Got the picture from the Great Falls National Weather Service. But look at all the snow in that snowplow. Yeah, they're already getting ready to plow, so we'll see what happens. This is the way it looked over in Glasgow as Tanya and the crew came to work today. Started off with rain, freezing rain, sleet, and then snow. They had the big four in winter weather today, and that's what they had this morning. So yeah, that whole thing has moved out of there. And here's the way things are looking at Billings right now. Currently, we have mostly clear skies. 36 degrees, the northeast wind now at about 8 miles per hour. Our reported high today, not real hot, got up to 47 degrees. Here's your normal high, 65. The record was 88 back in 1992. Record low was 25 back in 1999. And as you'll see here, precipitation, yeah, we wound up with 1/100th of an inch of rain this morning. That's the second day in a row we've done that. So for the month of October, we're at 0.02, but we need to be 0.15. But for the year, we're way ahead of normal at 17, 18, only need to be about 11.5 inches. And as you'll see here, our current temps around the state out in the west, 30s and 40s out there, 30s across the High Line until you get to Jordan, 29 degrees. Ooh, that's a little chilly. 36 in Billings right now. See 38 over at the Sheridan, 36 at Cody, and 38 at Worland. Look at our reported highs today. Back here in eastern Montana, only got into the 40s. It wasn't really until you get into the area green where it actually started warming up into the 60s and 50s. Got up to 70 at Worland today. Of course, Billings, as we said, about 47 degrees. We were about as far south as the 40s as you could see today. Meanwhile, we'll move on and show you what's happening. Doppler radar and satellite imagery shows basically kind of a westerly flow of air. Most of the rain has moved out, but we're starting to see a little mid-level clouds roll into the mountains out in the west. Eventually, these guys will encompass most of the state. And you see down here, a little batch of clouds starting to roll in as well. See, here's what's happening. You'll see the jet stream here kind of took that big batch of rain and snow in the northeast corner of the state, pushed it out of the way, got it up here in towards parts of Ontario, actually blew through Manitoba into Ontario, Canada. Your next batch of rains around this low-pressure cell off the San Francisco Bay Area, following the jet stream in the Great Basin area, eventually moving to Idaho and then parts of Montana the next day or so. So here's the way this is going to play out. A couple of low-pressure cells moving into Montana and Wyoming, even in Idaho by tomorrow. You'll notice generally fair skies until then. 6 a.m. Thursday, here comes the scattered rain showers moving in from the southwest. I think maybe by about 6 o'clock that rain starts making its way into the Billings area, snow in the mountains. Missoula will see some snow showers there. Cloudy skies across the High Line. Then after that, that thing kicks out of the way. And by the rest of the day on Friday, we're kind of in between disturbances. Look for partly cloudy skies. Won't be too bad. As far as snowfall, it looks like most of it is going to be right around here in the southwest corner of the state. Everyone else back here is probably going to wind up with just scattered rain showers. And so here's what you'll see. Probably anywhere from like a quarter inch for the Billings area rain by Saturday morning. Out here, all just stuff here with the lower numbers. That's what you're going to see as rainfall. When you get into the 40s like Bozeman and Livingston, that's when we'll see rain mixing with snow. So tonight, temps will cool back down to the 30s out in the west. Back here in the east, a few 20s with generally clearing skies. Then for tomorrow, back up into the 40s. 51 at Hardin. Look for scattered rain showers off and on throughout the day tomorrow. 40s and 50s out west. Now for Billings tonight, it'll be 31 degrees, partly cloudy skies. I think we've seen our rain showers tonight. The next batch of rain will be moving in tomorrow. East wind at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. It'll be 47 degrees on Thursday with a good chance of rain late in the day. Friday, 53 degrees with morning rain and snow showers mixed. Saturday, rain and snow showers mixed in the morning as well, 52. And then we keep it into the 40s through the rest of the weekend and on into next week. Look for about a 20 to 40% chance for rain mixing with snow each one of these days. Let's go back to the desk.